Hey there DIY coders, welcome to another video on HTML Quickie, the place where we try to make things a little more beginner friendly. And before we start, if you have no clue what a p tag is, I think it would be safe to say you are just trying to learn HTML. So I will have a video in the description below for people who are just starting to learn HTML. Now I want you, if you're all okay, you don't need the beginner's video, have your text editor out, have your browser out, and have your browser open to the file in which we'll be editing on. All right, and if you need a moment, you can pause the video, copy what I have from here to here, so not including this. And after that, we'll continue from there. So let's get started now. Okay, so the delete tag, which is this thing right here, I will demonstrate what that does, but I will type out a couple phrases in between p tags first. So hold on for a sec. So there's one p tag, and then we'll just quickly copy, paste. There we go. And so we'll have two phrases. This is his job or occupation. And then we'll write this is his job. There we go. We saved it, and you'll see that it shows up on the web browser. So here, now I'll demonstrate what the delete tag does. All right. And then I'll explain what it's supposed to do here. There you go. And now I will save. And then you'll notice there's a line on the word occupation. And that definitely correlates to what I've written here. So you'll notice occupation is in between the two del tags, or delete in other words. So what this is basically doing is putting a line through this word or whatever characters are in between the starting tag and closing tag of this del tag, and showing a line right across the word. So now, what is this used for? So typically it's supposed to indicate that a particular text has been modified, so this word has been taken out of the text. And in this case, job has replaced the word occupation. And that's pretty much it. It is not to say that you can say, like, if you were to write out this phrase in this file and then you ended up changing your mind and you want to write the word job onto here, and then it will show the history of how you edited your file. It doesn't quite work that way, or anything of that manner. Just strictly showing you that there's a line across the word occupation or whatever characters you have in between the start and the end tag here. Again, to make it clear, this is just to put a line across the characters you have written in between these tags. And that's it. All right, so I hope that was clear enough. If not, you definitely can leave me a dislike so that I know I should do a better job. But if that was perfectly clear, please leave me a like. That'll help me out. And don't forget to leave me a comment, show your support, or you have any questions. I will be happy to answer down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, that helps a bro out. Other than that, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, I suppose. Bye now.